Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess.
Back to my channel. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again with a new video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial, but it's going to be a very quick and different tutorial because it's something different, duh. So today we'll be trying out a headband wig. That style has actually been very popular right now and I've been wanting to try it for like a minute, but as you guys know, I'm bald, so it was kind of hard for me to even try to. My shortcut right now is white, so I wouldn't even dare do that to myself. So what I did, as you guys can see, I installed a regular bob just to like have some hair in the front to make my style look really natural. And let's go ahead and get into this video so I could give you guys the details on it. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from Nadula hair. Here's the packaging. It's just a satin bag and it says Nadula on it. And this bob is also from Nadula, so it's like a regular 12-inch bob that I applied just so I could have, like, you know, a little some in the front for my half headband wig. So this wig is a water wave headband wig. It's 26-inch. It is 100% virgin hair. Yeah, like I already showed you guys, this is the packaging. It's so crazy because it matches me right now. Period poop. Inside of this you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find, it sent me 6 different styles of headbands so I could like pick which one I want to try with the style. But you will find a wig cap. Of course yours is not going to come with 6, just one. I'm not sure if you could pick which one you want, but you get it. I'm going to show you guys all the different types that they have. So they have this one, it's cute. They have this other pink one, and all of them are like silk or satin, whatever it is. Cute. Ooh, they have this pearl one. See, this is like when you're going out, you want to throw a wig real quick but still spice it up and make it bougie with a nice little pearl headband. That's so cute. And they have this black cheetah print one that's really cute. They have this really colorful one. So you have one, so I have one to go with all my outfits. Thank you. It's also an extra one in this bag. I'm about to show you guys. Like I said, this is 26-inch of their body, no, their water wave. I haven't had water wave texture in a long time. This is the last headband. This one might be my favorite. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you guys the wig. This is what the wig looks like. It comes with this little paper inside. Let me take this out. Alright, so this is the wig. Okay, and as you guys can see, it has like a headband part literally on the wig sewed in, and it has like a comb part right here, so you could basically like make your wig tight or loose, whichever you want. That's actually really smart. It also has a comb in the front right here, so it can like grip the hair here. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. This is water wave, and I feel like for this style, deep curly, water wave, or like a straight would be perfect textures for this style, because it's like if you're getting a headband wig, you're pretty much just trying to be on the go. You're not trying to spend too much time on like your wig and do a lot. And those type of textures, you usually don't have to do much, especially with water wave. The texture is already like pretty much ready to go. All you have to do is just smack it on. So I'm gonna show you guys. This tutorial is gonna be so short because I've already applied my little first layer. So all I'm pretty much gonna be doing is applying this wig and styling it with some headbands or whatever, and I'm gonna be ready to go. I'm excited because this might just work for me. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna clip the bottom part because this hair is kind of like in the way, but we're looking good so far. Ooh, okay, I definitely gotta clip this part here because you're all over the places. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how far back I want it. I definitely don't want it all the way up here, so I'm gonna put it probably like this two right here, right where the part ends. So I'm just applying the comb so I can grab on that lace. Perfect. Okay, so I'm not gonna clip the bottom part because my ponytail's in the way. I'm gonna try to tuck it in a little bit. This is looking good so far. Okay, give me a second. Okay, now I'm gonna clip this part right here so it could be nice and secure. Let's see. Oop. Boom. Just like that, sis. Just like that. We're ready. It looks a little bulky right here because my ponytail is in a way, but you can't really tell because the hair is nice and full. Oh my god, this looks really good, even with the black headbands that it comes with. And I really like how like the headband comes on a wig is like big enough. It's like spacious enough. So even if I do have my natural hair out, all I gotta do is just scoot this all the way to the front, but then it's not gonna look as natural if I have it all the way up here. But it's enough room for that in case you want to do it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks good. I'm about to go ahead and put one of the headbands on. I don't know which one I want to do. Which one should I do, you guys? I don't even think this headband is like spacious enough to cover this one. Okay, let's see, which one are we doing? I really want to do the curves one, but the curves one is definitely too noticeable. Let me try it on. I love this. This looks so good. Okay, now look at me. Your girl is out here serving effortless looks daily, sweetie. Okay, so if I put this little headband on, it's not, oop. Okay, this is not gonna stick because it's too slippery. We're gonna pick another one. Which I got two of the same ones, but which one should I do? Polka dot, this one, ow, this one or this one? I don't know. Should I just keep the black one? You know, like I'm feeling the black one. This looks so good. Look at me. Ooh, child. I look good. I look good. I'm really happy that I picked water wave because I was thinking about getting curly, but I felt like curly was gonna be like not really, it wasn't gonna look right with the bob that I have like on the bottom. So it's like I'm glad that I get water wave because it looks like it's all just like one piece. It looks so good, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I really want to put a headband on, so let me just try one on. Maybe this one. I look like a sailor. No, maybe this one. This is giving old lady. I'm just gonna try one to show y'all. Ah! I messed up my makeup. 26" of this nice water wave. Purr. Ooh. Okay. Alright, we could actually spread this out and hide the black bands. Okay. Never judge the book by its cover. Because I definitely thought it wasn't gonna fit, but it does. Okay. What do we think? Do you guys like this one? You like this headband? I think I like this one. Your girl look good, and I look a little plain right now because y'all probably didn't notice it. I don't have lashes on. I'm about to put my lashes on as soon as I, like, you know, change and do the outro. But we're pretty much done. Look how quick that was. I mean, it wasn't really quick for me because I had to install this whole wig to make it seem like I have hair. But if you have hair, all you have to do is just slick it back, do your baby hairs, and apply the headband wig. and you're ready to go. Anyways, this is what the wig looks like. It looks so good. I love how full it is. The texture is really soft. Water wave is like one of my favorite textures. I really love the way it looks with the headband and everything. It was super quick. Y'all seen the application? It took like 5 minutes. Like, I'm about to go ahead and change real quick, put my lashes on because I look crazy, and I'll be right. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys could see, it came out looking so bomb. I was super excited to try out this style, and I'm happy I did because it looks really good. Super easy to install, to style. Ooh, I didn't even tell you guys, you could do many other styles with this. You could do like a bun, you could do ponies, you could do like braids. Girl, get creative. You could do so much more with this style, but at least I showed y'all the basics. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have fun with the wig. If you do decide to purchase it, I will have the links down below. You guys could check out Nadula hair. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.